Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the TV Wi-Fi downloads to high quality or fast downloads on the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings you want to go down and tap on TV. Next, on the TV settings page, go down and we're going to go to the download options section and tap on Wi-Fi. In here you can choose high quality, and this is slower download, uses more storage, and fast downloads, it is faster download but uses less storage. And that's it. So select one of the options and you can go back to your settings page or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.